was vice president, he decided to run for president to organize the Person of Masang Pilipino. And so that is the party. And so that is the party that I am with. When I ran in 2007, I ran the party Person of Masang Pilipino at the Air Start. It was created somewhere in 1997 for the election of 1998.
How did the society embrace your political party?
It's pro poor, and therefore Joseph Estrada won in the landslide in 1988. That's why this embraced the people. After he was divorced, his wife was after that, his son, was elected. His son part of parties with the secretary. First, when he won in 1998, president, 2001, January 1, 2004, when January 1. Most those who believe that you have a good moral program, you have to have the poor, they can join the party. To be able to bring education to the people, most of the people should be given school buildings, should have desks in the rooms, and have computers. That is the mission of the Person of Masa. It's education and health. Why? Because the poor people need education and need health. So the mission is give more budget for education, school buildings, computers, teachers. Number two, give more medicines and more hospitals to the people. And so we need health. And then third one is employment. Once you have health, once you have education, then the next thing that our party would like is employment for all people, so that they will have the money to have a family and for their children to go to school. So three basic things: education, health, and employment. That is the program of the Person of Masang Pilipino. Because yan ang kailangan ng mahirap. So the livelihood of yung sila meron silang operation. Yeah, because of my membership in the party and with President Arap as my leader, I am more actually now to be pro board and no projects to directly address the needs of the poor. It's really education, health, and employment. So very clear kami, hindi kami masyadong malaki ano pa yung mga project yan. Ang amin yun, anong kailangan ng pamilya na mahirap? Una, kailangan tira nila, yung anak nila, mag-aral. Number two, sila malasot sa mga anak. And third, after anak nila matapos sa eskwela, kung maski high school graduate, makatrabaho. So yung talagang katulad yun.
How did the political party become functional after now and the next year?
Functional because we have a strong leader, Arap Estrada, and he will become the president. He is running for president. And we believe that most of the masses are still with him. That's why I'm supporting him for president again. Because he was removed illegally in 2001.
What are the social programs, strategies, and methodologies?
Well, the social program is to empower people's organizations. Kailangan people's organization, NGO dyan, urban po especially, at the farmers. At ating mahirap, muna mga farmers. Because mahirap farming, mahal pa siya ito mga inputs, mga fertilizer. So nasa probinsya sila, ang hirap nila, mga farmers. Yan, kailangan supportado ang farmers. So, ito po sa nagpipig. Number two, urban po. Sa urban, ang hirap doon, urban po. Yung mga professionals, maganda sila. Yung urban po, yung nasa staff areas. Yung walang mga trabaho, nandiyan sa staff. Yun ang i-address natin. So, through this organization, that's the social approach. Through the people's organization, the urban organization, nonetheless, yun ang ating target sa farmers. Hindi namin yung target yung mga mayayaman. Kasi mayayaman, pwede na sila. They can, work with their own, they can have their business. As long as government will not harass them, and they're okay. They don't need anything. What is needed lang, may business model, you provide peace for the businessmen, you provide a good business climate, there is no problem to support the business. So there's no problem. Ang problema, ang mahirap sa banto, kung nakakain. Saan ba ang mga nila? So that is what we want. Okay?
Nag-zoom. Nag-zoom yung camera. Nag-Zoom? Oh, hindi pa ano natin.
I was in UP and I'm an activist. What's an activist also? What is an activist? An activist is someone who brings change to society, who sees the needs of